In this video, what are set files in MetaTrader 5, when to use them, and how to use them? Set files are configuration files that store all the input parameters of an expert advisor or an indicator. They are especially important when handling EAs and indicators with many settings. When should you use set files? You can use them in many cases, main being: save your favorite parameters for quick reuse, manage different market conditions or currency pairs, load parameters shared by communities, coaches, or developers, save optimized results from backtesting. Now, how do you use set files? To show you how to use set file, we will load the position size calculator indicator, which has quite a few input parameters. To save your own set file, open the Inputs tab, adjust the parameters of your choice, and click Save. Give the file a name, and it will be stored in the Presets folder. You can also choose to save the file in a different folder. To load a set file, click Load, select the location and file, and press Open. All the inputs will instantly update. To reset back to default, simply click Reset. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of what set files are and some of their benefits. You now also know how you save, load, and reset set files in MetaTrader 5. We hope you found this video helpful. For more tricks and tools, subscribe and visit us at mt4gadgets.com. Trade smarter, not harder.